Wash all accessories with warm, soapy water and wipe the interior with a soft cloth. Let everything dry completely. Then put all accessories back to the oven. Place the oven in a well-ventilated area, leaving at least 3.94 inches of space around it. Do not place anything on top. Plug in the oven, you'll hear a beep, and the display will turn on. Press the temp button and set it to 400 Fahrenheit. Then press the time button and set it to 5 minutes. Press the start button to run the oven empty for 5 minutes to burn off any residue. Note: a slight odor or smoke is normal and will disappear shortly. Plug in the oven. The oven enters standby mode, showing the default or last used setting. If there is no operation within 2 minutes, the oven will shut down automatically. Turn the knob to select a cooking menu, then press the start button to begin. Note: the oven will only operate when the door is fully closed. You can also adjust the temperature or time to your desired value by pressing the plus or minus buttons. You can do this before or during cooking. Press the light button to turn the oven light on or off. The light will remain on for 1 minute unless being turned off manually. To stop cooking at any time, press the cancel button. When cooking is finished, the oven will beep 5 times and stop heating. The display will show the default temperature and time. Note: when removing the basket, trays, or other accessories, do not touch them with bare hands. Use oven mitts or the tongs.